Welcome to the video. What's up everybody? This is Jai Gallo with Platform, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Platform Support Hub. Now this is not the support hub that you can add to your membership site. This is actually our support hub so that we can support you in any way that you need. After you sign up for a Platform account and you hit the dashboard here, this is the first thing that you're going to see when you log in, and there's a welcome message right here from us. All you have to do is actually click this button, Get Quick Start Guides, and it'll take you to the Support Hub, or you can navigate right here to where it says Support Hub, and you click that, okay? Anything that you need to get started with Platform is all going to be right here laid out for you. Pretty easy to go through. The first thing that you're going to come in contact with when you hit the Support Hub is you're going to see all of these frequently asked questions. These are questions that we laid out here and we're constantly adding to. And essentially what they are basically just drop downs, and there's text in here with quick answers. And the first thing is that quick start guide. So you can go through and watch this video and it's going to take you through the process of getting started with Platform. The other thing I want to show you, the second drop down, is actually for you to register for our next live stream. I personally do live streams 3 times a week at this point. In the future, it might change. So if you log into Platform and you get signed up, make sure that you're always checking this live stream. And all you can do is just click here on the button and you can register for our next live stream. On these live streams, I am helping everybody out. Anything that they need on their business, I can show you how you can use Platform for your business. If you're more experienced and you don't need any help, you can still participate in the live stream. But that is a quick way to get questions answered for sure. And then you have options here on the right where you can chat with us. If you click chat with us, you can go ahead and ask us anything. This is going to go directly to us in a private encrypted chat. And if we're online, which we usually are 24 hours a day, then we're going to answer you. If for some reason we don't answer right away, just give us a few minutes and we'll get right back to you. But please, when you get started with Platform, hit us up in chat and reach out, engage with us. Like, we want to talk to you. We want to help you along your journey here. And we want to streamline the process so you can get the most out of using Platform. If we're offline and you'd rather not do like a one-on-one chat here, you can also click submit a ticket. And this is going to allow you to actually just submit a ticket. This is going to come in to us, and then we'll be able to communicate back and forth through our ticketing process. The other thing that you can do is at the top here, there is a link that says Help Docs. You click Help Docs and it's going to take you to our knowledge base here. As soon as you get here, you can just type in anything that you're looking for. So anything that's on your mind, like, hey, I want to do the Stripe integration. There's a drop down that tells you about the Stripe integration. You can just click that and it'll go right to the documents. Or you can just click through here and you can go to any of these here. We'll go to integrations. You click down through these categories, and then these are the individual documents. And you can go ahead and click one of these, and there'll be a video and usually some text here. But there's no reason that you won't be able to find what you're looking for in the Support Hub. But that's really it for the Platform Support Hub. I just wanted to show you around and make sure that you have the resources that you need to make Platform a success for your business. So let's get out there, let's get this done, and let's start building. Looking forward to chatting with you in the Support Hub right here. And until then, I will talk to you on the next video.